Just want to show you something. I don't know why I always post in nighttime or daytime or random, but this is the almighty microwave. He rules the house, and he always gives me something if I give him one single offering. But the thing he always gives me is the same thing every time. Except there may be more of them. I give him a bag of uncooked popcorn. Apparently he likes that, and then in 1 minute and 45 seconds he will give me the thing I want, popcorn. So all hail the almighty microwave.